What's up, tits aficionados? Welcome back to All About AI Tech, your one-stop channel for everything AI. Today, we're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of machine learning with 24 incredible projects you can get your hands dirty with in 2024. Whether you're a seasoned coder or just starting, we've got something for everyone. Now, before we jump into the projects, let's demystify machine learning. Imagine teaching a computer to learn from data without explicitly programming every single rule. That's machine learning in a nutshell. It's like teaching your dog a new trick with treats and positive reinforcement. With data as its fuel, machine learning allows computers to analyze patterns, make predictions, and even understand your voice commands. Think Siri, Alexa, Netflix recommendations, all powered by the magic of machine learning. Now, let's unveil the top 10 machine learning projects that'll catapult you to the forefront of this technological revolution. First up, we have the classic iris flower classification. This beginner-friendly project lets you dip your toes into classification algorithms by training a model to identify different iris species based on petal and sepal dimensions. Next, we're talking about house price prediction. This project uses regression analysis to determine the market value of properties based on factors like location, size, and amenities. Ever wondered how your smartphone knows you're walking or running? That's human activity recognition in action. This project involves processing sensor data from wearable devices to identify and categorize human actions. Now, let's talk about a project that gets many people excited, stock price prediction. This is where things get really interesting. This project delves into the world of financial markets, employing historical data and technical indicators to forecast future stock prices. It's a complex but highly rewarding endeavor for those seeking a challenge. But remember, guys, this is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. Calling all wine enthusiasts, this next project is for you. Wine quality prediction combines the art of winemaking with the power of machine learning. Using physicochemical properties like acidity, sugar content, and alcohol levels, we can predict the overall quality of a wine. Cheers to that. In today's digital age, security is paramount. That's where fraud detection comes in. This project utilizes machine learning to identify potentially fraudulent activities like credit card scams or fake accounts by analyzing transaction patterns, user behavior, and other crucial data points. It's like having a virtual security guard for your online transactions. Ever wondered how Netflix seems to know your taste in movies so well? Or how Spotify curates the perfect playlist for your every mood? That's the magic of recommendation systems in action. This project involves analyzing user preferences and past behavior to generate tailored recommendations, enhancing user experience and boosting engagement. In today's information age, it's crucial to separate fact from fiction. Fake news detection employs machine learning to identify and flag false or misleading information, analyzing textual content, source credibility, and user engagement patterns to combat the spread of misinformation. It's like having a truth-seeking algorithm by your side. For businesses looking to stay ahead of the curve, sales forecasting is a game-changer. This project utilizes historical sales data, economic indicators, seasonal trends, and promotional activities to predict future sales volumes. Accurate sales forecasting allows businesses to optimize inventory, allocate resources effectively, and ultimately boost revenue. From self-driving cars to facial recognition technology, image recognition is revolutionizing industries. This field of AI empowers computers to see and interpret images, identifying objects, faces, and even emotions with remarkable accuracy. It's like giving machines the gift of sight. All right, folks, now it's time to dive into the deep learning. Imagine neural networks with multiple layers, mimicking the human brain's ability to process information. That's deep learning in a nutshell. It's like machine learning on steroids. Deep learning is tackling some of the most complex problems in AI, from natural language processing to medical diagnosis. These projects require large datasets and significant computational power, but the results can be truly groundbreaking. Ever wished you had an assistant available 24/7 to answer your questions, or even just chat? Well, with intelligent chatbots, you can make that a reality. This project focuses on building AI-powered chatbots that can understand and respond to human language naturally and engagingly. From customer service bots to virtual assistants, intelligent chatbots are transforming the way we interact with technology. Loan default prediction is another powerful application of machine learning in finance. By analyzing borrower data like credit score, income, and employment history, machine learning models can assess creditworthiness and predict the likelihood of loan default, helping financial institutions minimize risk and make informed lending decisions. The NIST Digit Classification Project is a classic in the world of machine learning. It involves training a model to recognize handwritten digits, a task that seems simple but involves complex image processing techniques. It's a fantastic project for those getting started with image recognition and deep learning. In an era of ever-increasing online threats, phishing detection is more critical than ever. This project leverages machine learning to identify and flag fraudulent websites designed to steal your personal information. By analyzing website features, content, and security certificates, these models can protect you from falling victim to phishing scams. The Titanic Survival Project is a poignant reminder of the power of data analysis. Using the historical passenger data from the ill-fated ship, machine learning models can predict the likelihood of survival based on factors like age, gender, ticket class, and more. It's a sobering example of how data can uncover hidden patterns and provide insights into historical events. But remember, this project is not just about predicting survival. It's about understanding the factors that influence those chances. The Big Mart Sales Prediction Project is a practical application of machine learning in the retail industry. By analyzing historical sales data, product information, store locations, and customer demographics, businesses can optimize pricing strategies, inventory management, and marketing campaigns to maximize sales and profitability. Customer segmentation is a crucial aspect of targeted marketing. By dividing a company's customer base into distinct groups based on shared characteristics like demographics, purchasing behavior, or interests, businesses can tailor their marketing messages, product recommendations, and promotional offers to resonate with each segment more effectively. In the world of data science, more data doesn't always mean better results. Dimensionality reduction techniques aim to simplify complex datasets by reducing the number of input variables while retaining essential information, improving model performance and interpretability. It's like condensing a lengthy novel into a concise but impactful short story. Remember the Movie Lens dataset I mentioned earlier? This project utilizes user ratings and movie data to build personalized movie recommendation systems, a cornerstone of the modern entertainment industry. By understanding individual preferences, streaming services can significantly enhance user engagement and satisfaction. Music classification takes machine learning to the airwaves. By analyzing audio features like tempo, rhythm, and harmony, this project can accurately categorize music into different genres, moods, and eras. This technology powers music recommendation algorithms, playlist generation, and even music discovery platforms, helping us navigate the vast world of music. The Sign Language Recognizer project is a powerful example of AI's potential to bridge communication barriers. By using computer vision and machine learning to interpret sign language gestures, this technology can translate sign language into text or speech, fostering inclusivity and accessibility for the deaf and hard of hearing community. It's a testament to the power of AI to create a more equitable world. All right, folks. Now that we've covered some foundational projects, let's crank things up a notch and explore more advanced applications that will truly push your machine learning skills to the limit. These projects delve into cutting-edge techniques and often involve integrating diverse data sources like social media trends, news articles, and economic indicators. The Stock Price Prediction Project takes our earlier exploration of stock market forecasting to the next level. By incorporating a broader range of data sources like news sentiment analysis, social media trends, and macroeconomic indicators, we can build more robust and accurate predictive models. But remember, it's crucial to approach this project with caution and a deep understanding of market dynamics. Sentiment analysis, also known as opinion mining, is like reading the emotional pulse of the internet. This project focuses on analyzing text data to determine the underlying sentiment, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. Sentiment analysis has applications in various fields, from monitoring brand reputation and gauging public opinion to understanding customer feedback and even predicting market trends. It's a fascinating blend of natural language processing and machine learning with real-world impact. The best part about this, guys, is that you don't need a fancy degree to get started with machine learning and become an AI pro. Tons of free online resources, courses, and platforms can get you up to speed in no time. Platforms like Coursera, edX, DataCamp, and Simplilearn offer fantastic courses taught by industry experts. And of course, YouTube channels like All About AI Tech are here to guide you every step of the way. So, let's recap. The key to mastering machine learning is simple. Get hands-on. Don't be afraid to dive into these projects. Experiment with different algorithms and learn from your mistakes. The more you build, the more confident you'll become. And remember, this field is constantly evolving, so make continuous learning your mantra. Stay curious, explore new tools and techniques, and connect with fellow AI enthusiasts, because the future of AI is brighter together. I'm constantly pushing myself to bring you the best AI content, so please hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, subscribe for more amazing content, and most importantly, leave a comment telling me about the machine learning projects you're most excited to explore. Let's make those comments section lit. Until next time, keep innovating and embrace the power of AI. Peace out.